Alright, let's see what we got here on the Adidas 40% off on the store. It looks like they got a 40% off. Oh, that's of our kids. ZX8000, color of this black, kind of suede, good quality. They are $89.97 with the additional 40%. Superstar Arizona, not bad for this quality of a shoe. 100 with the additional 40. Well, we got this Stan Smith with the navy-ish on the back, $64.99 with the additional 40. The Stan Smith, the green one in the back, is 64 as well without 40. Americana High, well, not bad, $59.97 with additional 40. This Americana High with cream-ish white, $69.99 with additional 40% off. Harden Step Back, $69.97. Is this the first? Yeah, this is the first Step Back, $69.97. There is the Harden Step Back 2, which is $80 with additional 40% off. So I'm not gonna take the bigger sizes. Harden Volume 5 Future Natura, $150. Pro Bounce 2019, $79, additional 40. Next Level, $129.97. Beam 7, $110 with additional 40% off. We have 19, $119. Most of the Ultra Boosts are in $119, excluded in the 40%. So they're already on sale for $119. There we go, Ultra Boost. Another $119. Not bad on this one. Triple Black Ultra Boost 20, $119 as well. Color Glide, that is $140. Well, this one is not bad though. It's right here in the men's section, $119. $119 as well. This one's $119 as well. And Ultra Boost 5 DNA. How about the Ultra Boost DNA? What is this? How much? $119. Another Ultra Boost DNA, $119. So most of the Ultra Boosts are in $119. On sale for $119, no additional discount. We're done on Adidas outlet. So what did I got? We only have one bag today, so there we go. I got one size 11, one 12, and another size 12. So that is 3 pairs only, because that's the only size they got, because the other sizes like is smaller than 9 or 8.5, something like that. So I left that behind. So I'm picking up only bigger sizes. Price on the tag is $80, and then minus the 40% off. There we go. Good looking basketball shoes, very good performance shoes. Well, going back to the price. The price listed is $80, and then minus the 40% off, 23. I don't really know what's going on with that 10% off. I'm not really sure, but this is the reward or the voucher, so that is another $16 off. So after all the discount, it came down to $34.56. So that's not bad for those particular shoes, because you can't buy them on that very low price even though on the mall or in the Ross or Marshalls. So I said that's not bad for the price. So I got, if I could have more like bigger sizes of 13, I'll pick them up because I'm aiming for a Bigfoot who is really gonna wear them for basketball. So that was the plan. And that's all what we got on the Adidas outlet. 40% off, and using also my voucher, my points, and also building up the points on the Adidas so that I could get more on the app for the next coming release of BC. So that's all. That's what I'm thinking. Hopefully in the near future Nike will do this reward thing. That would be all for today. I hope you like this video, and if you like it, can you please leave a thumbs up, leave a comment down below, subscribe if you haven't. See you in the next one. Bye bye.